Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to discuss the battery equivalent of the AG5 watch battery. So you can find it online under different names and they are going to be the exact same watch batteries. I'm going to also leave a link in the description box below to this exact watch battery so that you can go and purchase it. So the most common name is going to be AG5, but then you can also find LR48193, LR754, 309 and 393. I'm also going to insert a picture so that you can see even more abbreviations, so battery equivalents for the AG5 watch battery. Once again, link in the description below. And as you can see guys, here on the table I have a bunch of watch batteries, so different types of watch batteries, and I'm going to make separate videos with their watch battery equivalents so that you can easily find them online. In case you found value from this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know what kind of watch you have and you use the watch battery for. And if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe, like the video guys, and I'm going to see you on the next one.